Good evening, everyone. I'm Athar Singh, and I'm thrilled to be here today to talk about a topic that at the heart of innovation and business success, and that is navigating the product management landscape. Our focus will be on understanding the implications of product management on both the job market and the structure of organizations. Let's dive in. So, as you can see, this is a life cycle of a product management, which contains uh, a whole bunch of stuff, uh, starting from idea generation to screening to specifications, development, testing, launch, and evaluation. So, this is a lot of like technical terms. So, let's first understand what exactly is product management. It's a holistic approach to overseeing a product through its entire life cycle, from the initial idea to development, launch, and continuous optimization. Product managers are the architects of a product's success, making critical decisions at every stage. Moving on, we should also discuss the essential skills set for a product manager. Analytical skills are a must for interpreting market trends and user behavior. Effective communication and collaboration are key to working with diverse teams and stakeholders. Technical acumen bridges the gap between development and business goals, which is insanely important for any organization. That's why they're in such demand. And a deep understanding of the market and strategic thinking round out the skill set. Without, if any of these are not present in a product manager, I believe we should you should replace your product manager. Now let's see what we have to acknowledge in regards to the job market for the product management. It's crucial to acknowledge the increasing demand for skilled product managers. The job market is witnessing significant growth in this field, offering diverse opportunities across industries. What makes product management particularly exciting is its versatility and applicability across sectors. Of course, with great opportunities come unique challenges. Product managers often find themselves balancing competing priorities, managing stakeholders effectively, and navigating the ever changing market landscape. These challenges are the crucible in which successful product managers thrive. And this is what really is one of the most key indicators of whether a company will be successful or not. Now, let's see at what benefits does it bring to company. As long as a product manager does not bring a benefit to a company, it should not matter to the company to hire. So why are they hiring them? Well, very simple, for three reasons, which is their effective product management leads to improved product success rates, increased innovation, and enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. In essence, it's about creating products that are not only meet but exceed customer expectations. And also, and also, we should also look at the challenges that are in the product management, because not only you have to juggle multiple priorities, you also need to take care of the stakeholders and also of the rapidly changing markets. So now that we have taken into account the benefits and challenges of the product management, let's see what impact does it have on the organizational structure. As we explore further, consider the impact of product management on organizational structure. It often leads to flatter hierarchies, fostering agility and quicker decision making. Cross functional teams become the norm, promoting collaboration across departments. Communication and alignment become paramount in this transformed organizational landscape. And these are the three things that you should know in when you are working as a product manager. You identify, you satisfy, you retain. After that, let's go on the integrating product management into corporate culture, because creating a product centric mindset ensures that every employee understands and contributes to the overarching product strategy. Aligning departments for unified goals and fostering a culture of experimentation and learnings are key to success in this endeavor. Moving forward, let's talk about a crucial aspect of my product management, that is its alignment with agile methodology. The iterative and collaborative approach of agile complements the principles of product management, facilitating quick adaptation and enhancing responsiveness to market changes. It's a dynamic duo driving innovation. Also, if you're wondering what is agile methodology, you can check on the internet where where it is a very important part of software development also. Moving on, as we wrap up, let's cast our gaze into the future. Emerging trends such as AI, data driven decision making, and sustainability are shaping the landscape of product management. In the era of product digital transformation, product management stands as a linchpin for companies navigating change and evolving customer expectations. To all aspiring product managers out there, focus on developing a diverse skill set, stay updated on industry trends, and embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Thank you all. Now, let's go on to a case study that will signify our points. And you all know that platform very, very well. And the name of the platform is Discord, which is basically which has transformed from a gamer's heaven to a global phenomenon. We'll dive into how a simple idea became a global phenomenon, all thanks to the power of effective product management. Now let's see what the problem was. Well, the let's rewind to a few years back ago, like 10 to 12 years, let's say. So gamers were scattered across multiple platforms, forums, chat rooms, voice channels. Finding the right community and connecting with like-minded people was a frustrating experience. Existing solutions were clunky, lacked features, and weren't built for real-time interaction. It was horrible. Now came Discord. Enter Jason Citron and Stan Wisniewski, two passionate gamers who saw an opportunity. They understood the pain points and envisioned a seamless server-based chat experience specifically for gamers. And that's how Discord was born. It started as a gamers app, for all we know. But Discord's success can be attributed to its focus on features that fostered community building. Intuitive server creation, voice channels and text chats, bots and integrations, and customizable rules and permissions. All these features empowered users to create their own spaces and connect with each other on a deeper level. But it wasn't just about building features. There were The Discord team were actively monitoring user behaviors and feedback. It had a wonderful feedback loop which kept it in real time, which informed them of the decisions that were supposed to take depending on the feedback loop and the data they collected. They conducted A/B testing and ensured new features resonated with the community. This data centric approach kept Discord evolving and adapting to user needs. If we would look, there are more than 100 plus games on Discords, I think, and including major games like Fortnite, Redemption 2, and you can even listen to now music, you can stream, you can connect with people, you can assign materials and resources. So these are some of the examples of how they took the customer feedback and monitored the user behavior, and depending on that, they started increasing and evolving their product. Moving on, this is how also they also when they had to make the decision to go beyond gaming, it from its core had a key component in it, and that's flexibility. Artists, educators, book clubs, and even professional organizations found value in its features. The platform embraced this organic growth, facilitating discoverability and welcoming diverse communities. Today, Discord boasts over 250 million monthly active users across a wide spectrum of interests. To put that in comparison, uh, to put that in comparison, only five of the major social media apps are more than this. That is Twitter, Facebook, uh, and then TikTok. Then we have YouTube and WhatsApp. I think these are the five, which and Instagram also. Sorry, six. So these are some six to seven. After that, it's Discord only. Now we have to also see what was the product manager's impact on this. The story of Discord highlights the power of product management in its truest sense. The product managers identified a need, they crafted a solution, and nurtured a thriving community. They understood user behavior, leveraged data insights, and adapted to evolving trends. And their efforts resulted in a platform that goes beyond product success. So much so that it has now had a significant cultural impact on the gaming community, on the music community, and also on the artistry community. And once you are part of a culture, once you become a culture, it's very hard to replace you. We can see that in major brands like Nike, Apple, Amazon in its distribution delivery business. And then even if we take an ingenious example, we have Amul, we have Reliance, and then also if we look beyond, WhatsApp is one of that which has created a behavior. And who can forget Swiggy and Zomato, which have forced us to go into on online food delivery services. It has changed our consumer behavior. And when a product changes a consumer behavior, it leads to a lock-in of customers, a community that is loyal to you, which in turn gives you sustainable growth over the coming periods. Now, what can aspiring PMs learn from Discord success? Well, you should always listen to your users, understand their pain points, and dream big. Because if you don't do that, then you will never be able to adapt to the demands of the users. Many of the times, it won't be rational demands, but out of 100, one will be a very critical and constructive criticism that should be accepted and worked upon. Also, embrace data driven insights and don't be afraid to experiment and change based on feedback. Because if you don't take risk, you can't build a business, you can't make a product. It's impossible. Moving forward, you should also foster engagement and celebrate user success, because if you don't build a community around your product, you won't have any sustainability. Any other product can just come in and just bam, break your business. It is very hard for any product to establish the already established powers, because you should understand what it takes to build a brand. And you can build a brand only by building a community. Also, you should also think about that it's more than just about the features. It's about creating something that truly matters, something that solves a problem that we thought won't be able to, that will make the customers life easy and more creative, something on those lines. Now, you can also see this that this Discord's journey serves as an inspiration for aspiring product managers and reminder of the immense impact we can have on the world. It all starts with a deep understanding of user needs, data driven approach, and a passion for building something special. Now, we'd like to hear from you at what are your thoughts on the product management. You can comment, you can discuss in the comments below. And remember that one of the ideal cases of product managers, it's not just that you have to start as a product manager. Many of the product managers are basically migrating from tech or some other domain. They learn how to manage a product, they learn how to build a product. So it's not necessary that you can't shift or migrate from another domain or another department for that fact. Sundar Pichai is one example which I can think of right now, who was in the technical team but eventually migrated as a product manager and gave us the legendary Chrome experience. With that, I would like to conclude my session, and I would like to I would be like grateful for your feedback as such, and uh, I'm like really thankful for the opportunity that IEEE CS has given me. Let's continue to innovate and build the products of tomorrow. Thank you.